Hello and welcome to a new episode of our podcast series, Who Am I? Like every episode, we give you hints about an element from the periodic table and you try to guess it. When I started studying chemistry in college at Babzuar, this element was the first one I googled and searched about. For some reason, I felt it was one of the most interesting elements in the periodic table. And of course, I wasn't wrong about this. Try to guess which element is this as I give you hints about it. It was the first metal to be discovered since prehistorical times, and the first metal with a recorded discoverer, Swedish chemist George Brunt in 1739. Brunt was attempting to prove that the ability of certain minerals to color glass blue was due to this element, to another element, and not to be smooth, as was commonly believed at that time. Actually, if you look around you, you'll find it in many everyday objects, from batteries and blue paint to medical procedures. It is used in super alloys, which are very, very resistant to corrosion and are stable at high temperatures. As I mentioned earlier, it is used as a blue coloring agent in paints, inks, glass, ceramics, and even cosmetics. Other applications for it include industrial catalysts, electroplating, powerful magnets, and batteries. Batteries in common devices, including cell phones, laptops, and even electric vehicles. Also, this element is very useful in modern medicine. It is used to create gamma rays, which later are used for cancer treatments. Afanallahu wa iyyakum. It is found in B12, which is the only vitamin that contains a metal atom. Actually, this transition metal is now used to make artificial hip joints and knees. Well, it may not be rare, but it is very beneficial to us. This element is one of the few elements that is naturally magnetic. Imagine. It can be easily mined. That's why it's not rare. And its name came from the German kobold, which means goblin or troublemaker. Yes, it is cobalt with its atomic number 27. At my first days at college, I confused it with initial concentration that is written C0, and that's why I went on Googling it. I hope you guessed it right. If not, you should go search about it or listen to this podcast again. Thank you for sticking around till the end of this episode and stay tuned for more episodes. Stay safe and healthy.